Hey, I should salute and I do wake up for boy Pidgin. After match, look at how you see. I beg if you no say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Leicester City 1 and Chelsea 3. And we get Oga Austin with you. Go get Chelsea fan. Make on tell us about how you see this game. Oga Austin, now how you see your team performance today?
Like wetin I talk, good
Please
three,
volume small.
good 3 points, but poor performance. If you see us, we dey struggle for this game. No good pattern of play. If you ask me now, say which kind pattern we dey play as a Chelsea fans, I no fit tell you. But thank God say we win, we get the 3 points.
So, but for this performance now, so you talk say the performance no sweet for Bele, but the main coco be so I get the 3 points, and I carry 3 points come up for Leicester, you understand? But I want to ask you about the performance today. Which player you feel point from the performance, even though say no too sweet you, say now this player be my man of the match. Which player you feel point?
I go point to Koulibaly and Enzo Fernandez. You know, say the last time I tell you, I don't know say the boy dey play ball like this. Although I never watched him play before. And when we be wan sign am, I say the boy too expensive to sign for that amount. But presently now, na him dey give me joy for the team.
So now they give you joy for the team presently, now they ginger you. But I might ask you about the manager also. You know, say we don't hear a lot of Chelsea fans when they talk one thing, say the guy Potter needs to go, Potter needs to go. But with these 3 matches when they don't win, 3 straight wins, Leeds United, Borussia Dortmund, and now Leicester City, you think say Potter, so they're supposed to give him more time now based on say in the saving work.
Potter still need to go. Despite the 3 matches when he don't win. You see, we know say football is all about winning, but you cannot win all the time. And if you see the guy pattern, like wetin I see dey complain of, e no work. This no be Chelsea. Because like Chelsea don lost class, like wetin Drogba talk. And Mourinho talk one thing, say team once you don dey welcome defeat, say we try, dey welcome defeat. Definitely you are not a big team again. Of which for the past match, na wetin we don dey welcome defeat. E come be like say Chelsea no be team when e dey win match. We don lost that class. This man no be the man for the job. Potter need to go.
So for these 3 straight wins where Chelsea don't win, you don't see any improvement as a Chelsea fan?
No improvement. Na just say we just get the 3 points. Like wetin one guy dey talk, then na just individual brilliance. Say na big players we sign, they just dey use their mind dey play. If good coach handle this team, you see the kind of football we play. We like football. Even the sweet football wey the owner dey crave for. If na another coach handle this team, you see am say go see the good football. But with Potter, e no work, we no go anywhere.
So you as a Chelsea fan now, Chelsea dey for Champions League. They don't qualify go the quarterfinal stage. How you dey see that competition as a Chelsea fan? You get any expectation for man? Because some people they talk say anytime we Chelsea sack coach, then they win something. The competition when it be like say okay, Chelsea get chance to win now Champions League. So you hope there as a Chelsea fan.
Like wetin I tell you the other time, with this performance, I no see Chelsea crossing the quarterfinal. That na my own opinion. But I go still come out cause support them as my team. But I no get belief in them.
So to you, no belief?
No belief.
Zero belief on this team?
Zero belief. With Potter and this performance, zero belief.
So, but now Chelsea done a climb table small. 2 straight wins. They don't move small. Where you dey expect Chelsea go finish by the end of the season? With wetin you dey see now like this?
Make one correction. You say we never dey climb table.
We never climb small.
No, we never. We still dey there now. We never climb. Even we win, we lose. We still dey that 10. You see the other people wey dey gap us, Brighton or so. Even Brentford. Brighton dey gap us with better points. Brentford lose against Everton, yes, but see Brighton wey dey ahead. Brighton dey gap us with better points. Left for me, bad or worse, or we go finish 7th if at all say we try.
So that one at all.
Say we fit struggle and come out with this coach. 7.
7, and then you just keep your mind. Say 7, you know, past 7.
For the now, with our current form, now there I keep my mind.
All right, now, guys. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, we dey loyal like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.